Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here doing some sketchy stuff today. Yep, that's right. Right back to what we're used to doing here on the farm. Today is boat swap day. I'm going to take the junk boat that we went and got last weekend off of the trailer and put the other junk boat onto the trailer. And you might say to yourself, hey, Mongo, how are you going to do that? Well, I got a plan. Yep, that's how we're going to do it. All right, little change of plans. The winch would not fit over the hitch of the trailer, so now we're just dragging.
Good job, Mongo. We need to get that boat right there. The second boat. Think you're ready to go this way? Think you're good?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sunday morning here, Mongo's Garage. I realized in the video there that I didn't exactly explain what happened. Well, this is what happened. Before you take these old boats out, you definitely 100% need to check out the trailers and be sure that they're in good condition, because you just might end up in this situation. So that frame rail over there on the outside doesn't look terrible. However, I'm willing to bet that on the inside it is in bad condition. And as you can see right there, it bent right in front of the spring perch. The right side isn't as bad. This left side most definitely bent. You can see rust that came out of it. It actually tore the metal over here. And as you can see, bad shape. So with that trailer like that, I can't exactly load the boat on it. There's the boat that was on this trailer, and there's the boat I was trying to put on it out in the junkyard. So yeah, that's going to mess things up here a little bit. I have to regroup and figure out what we're going to do now. I need to get that boat up to the garage so that I can get the parts off of it I need and get rid of it. So, all right, that's all for now. We'll talk to you guys later.